packages to drop off, 3 Poshmark orders, a couple of eBay orders. I gotta come back to the studio. I got an online Zoom focus group, video audition. I gotta record, email it to the casting director. I think I booked that one movie. I auditioned for a movie last week. I think I got the role. I don't want to be too excited yet. Casting director emailed me. I just gotta email them COVID test results, which was negative, and I gotta sign the contracts. Off to the post office. Let's go. Let me switch to my transitional lenses. My Gucci transitional lenses. I don't know where the fuck my batteries went, yo. Oh, there they are. They're in my car the whole time. I was wondering where it went. I gotta update my Instagram. I just shaved to trim my beard, rocking some cool clothes, and I got the 50 mil. So we're gonna do a little photo shoot. I'm gonna just find a nice place where we can just shoot at. Fuck. It's been a minute, y'all. What's good, Swag Squad? We back at it again. I'm sorry, guys, I haven't posted. It's been over a week. Been hella busy. Listing stuff on eBay and Poshmark. Zoom auditions and video auditions. A bunch of boring I've been grinding. It wasn't worth vlogging. I don't want to bore you guys, but that's pretty much all I've been doing the whole week. I had like 4 focus groups this week. They were all Zoom focus groups. Zoom audition for a feature film. 5 video auditions I had to record. An email to the casting director. Just been listing stuff on eBay and Poshmark. I am gonna make a video on like how to properly list items on eBay and Poshmark. People will actually buy your stuff. There is a proper way to list items. How you want to list your items, how you want to take your photos. That way people that view your items look at you more professionally. They'll have more of an incentive to buy your items. I have that video right here. Click on the card above. How to list items on Poshmark and eBay the proper way. Increase your chances of sales. Bunch of items. I only have like 2 bars left on this battery, so I'm gonna kill the camera for now. And by the way, yes, being safe, bring this everywhere I go. My whole glove compartment is full of N95 masks. I don't want to drain all the batteries, so I'll catch you when I get to the post office. Peace. Welcome to Mexico! I mean, Van Nuys, California. We are now in Tijuana. Welcome to TJ. Get your shots of tequila. Okay. We want it all. Now lost myself. We want it all. Now lost myself. We want it all. Now lost myself. We want it all. Got some boxes. This is all I needed. I need 4 more boxes. Alright. Got 5 boxes here. These are free. I like to just stock up on them. I'll get like a couple of orders. I don't have any boxes. I just bring the labels with me. There are times when they run out of these. Whenever I'm at the post office, if I see mailing boxes, I just stock up on them. Technically, I could just go on the USPS website. I gotta be back, in 45 minutes. It's 12:16 right now. Got a Zoom focus group at 1 p.m. I'm gonna head back to the studio. I wonder what this is.
So if you would like to participate in this session, please give me a call to this number. Have a good day.
Another focus group. E-commerce business owners. That's perfect. That's totally me.
So for market research, I'm looking for David to do the screening process for you for the business owners and advertisement study.
Okay.
And for this session is going to be a video conference. It will last 1 hour. You will receive $100 for it. Okay. Now the date of the session, mark it down, and this day will be 11th.
Let me just look at my calendar. Next Wednesday?
Yeah, it will be Wednesday 10th and Thursday 11th. And I'm just going to go ahead and do the screening process for you. Basically, I'm just going to be double checking the response.
That's perfect. On the 9th, I got 2 focus groups. Now the 10th, I got another focus group.
Correct.
Okay.
So our business will be retail, and it has to do with fashion and gear. Is that correct?
Yes.
E-commerce business owner.
That is correct.
Perfect. The name of the business will be Swags for Less, and it will be the same for your Facebook page will be David Jason TV,
That's
and
correct.
for the eBay store will be again Swags for Less.
That's correct. Swag for less. Sounds good?
Okay, perfect.
Thank you very much. Bye. Have a good day. Perfect! I just booked another focus group. There was a chance I could have booked 2 focus groups. They're looking for e-commerce business owners. That one I booked already. $100 for an hour. It's on the 10th. There was a chance I could have booked a second one too. They're looking for e-commerce business owners that sell internationally. Had I known, see, that's the thing, you have to know what's up. I have sold items on eBay internationally. I've sold to Japan a couple times. I sold to Europe a couple times, but not as often. Majority of my sales are just within the US. But had I known that, I would have just bullshit. I would have been like, oh yeah, I sell to Europe all the time. I would have been eligible. I could have booked 2 focus groups. The $100 one, and I could have booked a second one for $125. That could have been 2 focus groups right there. $225 total. But it's all good, you know, you can't be greedy. So 2 on Monday, 1 on Wednesday. On the 9th, 2 Zoom studies. And then the next day, the 10th, I got another focus group, the one that I just booked right now. That's $400 next week already. There's a focus on testing in Calabasas. Taste test on Thursday. Focus group grinding. That's how to book focus groups. Sometimes you just gotta bull. I mean, I'm not lying though. I do have an e-commerce business. I do sell online, so I'm not lying. But for that second one, had I known that they were looking for international sales, I would have just bullshit. Got my focus group to do in about 15 minutes. I gotta update my Instagram, yo. Haven't posted in like almost a couple of weeks. Quick little photo shoot right now. I gotta go rock this focus group.
To give you a quick rundown on how this kind of thing is going to work. If we were in like a focus group room, I would be pointing to the big, one mirror behind me and saying that there's people back there. So we do have some observers and some colleagues of mine that are helping me with this research. We'll be spending about 2 hours here today talking about new modern oral nicotine products. Let me kind of unpack that for you and tell you what that means. David, why don't we start with you? You can kind of take us through a little bit, your experience.
The only oral products I had would be like chewing tobacco, like the traditional kind, as well as, and I heard about lozenges. I'm like, oh wow, this is interesting. It's very opening. It sounds really interesting.
Okay, cool. On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely would you be to add this to your day-to-day repertoire?
Are you or anyone in your immediate family a content creator or influencer? Yep, perfect. Here's another email from UI, user interviews, $100 Visa gift card, issues affecting California residents. Perfect, I should be eligible for this. Alright, now I gotta fill this shit out. Participate. Come on, DJ, you got this shit.
Do you go by David or?
I go by DJ actually.
DJ.
Yeah, DJ.
Okay. Nice to meet you, DJ.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Do you have a chance to take a look at the sites?
Yeah.
How long have you been acting?
I was doing background from 2008 to 2012. I got signed with my first commercial agent at 2012. I got my first principal role 2013.
What is your union status?
I'm SAG.
Talk to you soon, man.
Hi, Kevin. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you.